What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Umbreon from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the eyes. Now you want to leave a gap in the center. I'm going to start over on the left side, draw a curve, going up, and we'll bend that out. Let's line the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going up and bending that out. Now we tuck the bottom of the eyes in underneath. On the left side, I'm going to step in, curve around, down towards the bottom of the eye, and pull that in towards the inside. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside of the eye. Starting from the top left, draw a half oval, coming down, and then bend that up. Let's add a curve along the top of the pupil for highlight. Coming down and then in. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Let's move out and draw on the side of the head. From the top of the brow, we're going to step up, curve the head going around the eye, come down and then in. Let's go over towards the right. Going around the eye, down and in. Now I want to bend the head coming in towards the center point. Let's start back on the left. So I'm going to round out the jaw, come down and in towards the center, go across and then up on the right. Along the bottom, we're going to step up and draw a short line going across for the nose. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the ears. From the left side of the head, curve this out, round out the ear, and just pull that up towards the tip. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out, round out the ear, and pull that up towards the same height. Let's go back to the top left and curve the inside of the ear, coming in, and then just bend that down towards the top of the head. Now I'm going to place the head on top of the ears. So we're going to step out, curve this up in the middle, round out the head, and then come down on the right. Let's draw an oval in the center of the head. Starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. And we'll trace that oval along the inside. Let's add two thick stripes across the ears, starting on the left. I'm going to bend this up and in. Let's line this up on the right, going out and then down. Now we're going to step up and draw that again. Now let's move down and draw the side of the body. We start on the left side of the head, curve the leg going out, down, and then in towards the ankle. Let's line this up on the right, going out, down, then in towards the same height. From the bottom of the ankle, let's curve the foot. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this around, come down towards the bottom, and just bend that up towards the inside of the heel. Let's do the same thing on the right, going out, down, and then bend that in. Now from the heel, we're going to bend the legs going up and then out. Let's start with the left, going up, and then we'll bend that out. And we'll add two curves along the bottom of the feet to separate the toes. From the heels, we're going to step up and draw a straight line going across. Now let's draw two half ovals on the side of the leg. Let's start with the left, coming in and then back out, just up on top of the ankle. Now I'm going to trace this along the outside. Let's draw the hind leg in behind. We're going to start from the top left, bend this out, come down. I'm going to pull that in towards the outside of the ankle. let's tuck the feet in underneath. Starting from the side, curves out, and then that in. And then just like we did with the front, we'll separate the toes with 2 curves. Let's draw another set of half ovals on the outside. Then again, just tracing this out. And now we're going to draw the tail coming out from the right side. Let's start from the top, bend this up and out, and I'm going to curl that back up towards the tip of the tail. Let's bring the bottom of the tail coming down and then back in towards the side of the leg. Now I want to add that same stripe across the tail, starting from the bottom, coming around and then down, and then we'll do that again on the top. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Umbreon from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.